guys, Jen from SeaSucker here, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our cup holders and what makes them so great. We have our one cup holder vertical mount. What I always like to show people, and I think sometimes customers don't always know, is that on our website, in addition to a cup holder, we have these tumbler rings. It fits right inside that cup insert. This helps secure some of those larger and smaller cups, tumblers, ramblers. I love having this for just a little extra security. Now, like all SeaSucker products, our cup holders are powered by that really strong vacuum mount. Just put a little bit of water on there. That's gonna guarantee that seal for a long, long time. Make sure that that whole edge is touching and there's nothing underneath there, and that's how you get that strongest seal. I always put a little bit of water on there. You know you're locked and loaded. One of these 4.5-inch vacuum mounts, 120 pounds of pull strength each. You can check out all of our cup holders at SeaSucker.com.